Hi everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang David Licauco and Barbie Forteza, yung mga interview clips naman nila for today's video. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Sige nga.
Na gusto ko, isa-isahin natin.
Ay, ano to?
Siyempre, physically, maganda. Siguro, chinita na.
Isa pa nga.
Mga qualities na gusto ko, isa-isahin natin. Go!
Siyempre, physically, maganda. Siguro,
Ay.
chinita na, hindi masyadong chinita.
Chinita na hindi masyadong chinita. Chinitang hilaw.
Nahirapan mo naman sila.
Yung mukhang
Chinitang hindi chinita.
Very
Chinitang-
specific eh. Medyo hilaw.
May pagka-mistisang
Medyo
chinita.
hilaw.
Ganun.
Ganun yung type ko.
Okay.
Eh,
Maputi.
Maputi.
Mahilig siya sa maputi.
Charis.
Chinitang hindi may pagka-chinitang mistisa.
yeah.
Kayo na bahala
Maputi.
mag-isip kung ano yun. Okay, ano pa yung isa? When you look at a girl, anong una mong napapansin?
Ice?
Yun lang naman
Eyes.
sa physical.
Mm.
Pero dito
Kaya
tayo
pala
sa
kung makapag
personality.
eye-to-eye contact si David
Ano
kay
yung
Barbie.
attractive
Wow,
sa'yo?
kinoconnect talaga.
Pagdating sa personality.
Kanino pa ba natin
ng
i-connect?
babae.
Someone's
Di ba?
really nice. Genuinely nice.
Kanino pa gusto i-connect? Kung hindi natin i-connect yan.
Ang hirap
Yeah.
i-determine ngayon kung ano ba yung nice and
Mm.
genuinely nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Diba?
Ang dami alam ni
Someone who's in
Tony.
touch with life.
Obo, ano naman yung in touch with life?
touch with-
Explain mo naman sa
Ang
amin.
dami alam ni David.
Para yung mga girls, David,
Mataling
ano ba yung
naman
in
kasi
touch
talaga si
with
David,
life?
no?
Touch na ba namin lahat? Ano bang in touch with
Kinikilig si
life?
David.
Okay, let's say sabihin natin yung hindi masyado nag-cellphone. Yung parang present.
Oh.
Hindi, God,
Present.
hindi masyado nag-social media. Kasi when you're like that, parang mas in touch ka in life. You're more assertive, you are more relaxed.
Okay.
Medyo wala kang pakialam sa inisip ng mga ibang tao. So parang simplified term ko lang siguro siya.
Mm.
Someone who's like that. And mamahalin ako, syempre. Caring. And
Okay.
understands my job. Of course. Yung pinaka-importante.
Understanding.
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 David, you're called the Pambansang Ginoo. How do you react to that? May pressure pa ba? May, with the expectations that, that come with it. Nape-pressure ka ba when you're called Pambansang Ginoo?
I think it's again, it's a pressure-filled name. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit ako tinawag na
Pambansang Ginoo.
Pambansang Ginoo.
Okay.
But of course, since yun nga yung tawag sa akin, I have to, kailangan ko pakita na, alam mo yun, maging good example sa mga tao.
And you embrace it.
Yeah,
Pero may
yeah.
mga panahon ba na ikay maginoo pero konting bastos?
Totoo ba?
Siguro paminsan.
I like that. May,
siguro minsan.
may
Ako
kakaibang
gusto ko din yung
titig. Pero
ginawa.
alam mo, pinag-uusapan talaga ng marami. Ang titig ni David. Totoo yan, di ba? Titig ni David. Ano yun? What is it? To the cam nga. Ano yung titig pag nagpapakilig si David Licauco?
Ano?
Okay. No, congratulations on this new movie that you have with Barbie.
Thank you.
That kind of love. Pero pag-usapan muna natin. Ikaw ba, David, nung when you were a lot younger, halimbawa when you were 16, 17, what kind of love? Ano ang tingin mo noon sa love?
Ay,
Romantic,
gusto ko
relationship
to.
love.
Ito
as
na
you'd
never
say.
pa natin
I
pinapanood.
think when I was younger, as long as maganda, siguro
Oh, yan yung
chinita.
love sa kanya.
Tsaka masaya ka usap. Before kasi uso nun yung mga Yahoo Messenger, di ba? So parang kapag masaya ka usap, minsan parang feeling mo in love
YM.
ka na eh. Gawin.
Oh my God, ang tanda ko
Magpasa ka pa,
na.
di ba? Pero syempre ngayon,
YM.
iba
Okay.
na.
But
iba
during
na.
that time, doon muna tayo, during that time, naniniwala ka na merong perfect love, may perfect match.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Meron?
Siguro before, parang feeling ko, ang love is hindi kailangan ng work. Diba? Feeling ko, dapat swak lang kayo palagi. If it's hard, goodbye, di ba? Pag bata ka.
Okay. Halimbawa, David at 22, ano naman yung love na yon? Naging ano?
I think when you're 22, kakagraduate mo lang nun, siguro someone who has dreams. I think, kumbaga, kunwari, pangarap niya maging isang doktor. Someone who goes after her dreams. I think at that time, okay na rin ako. And then, of course, dapat yung compatibility namin, okay, mabait, good family.
Okay.
Diba? So-
All right. David at 29.
think now it's, like really different. I think you have to empathize with your partner. And for sure, marami kasing problema along the way. Kailangan mong lumaban, kailangan mong intindihin kung saan nanggagaling yung partner mo. And hindi na siya yung parang gaya ng dati na, basta maganda lang. O kaya
True.
good family
Exactly.
background, ganyan, mabait.
That's right.
Diba?
Oo.
So now talaga, mas naging siguro understanding. Kailangan na ng ganun.
Pag bagong break ka, ilang months ba dapat yung hihintayin mo para makipag-relationship ulit? Tingin mo lang, opinion mo.
Agad. Joke lang.
Agad-agad.
Joke lang. I think it's better na wag ka muna talaga makipagrelasyon. Kasi baka madala mo yung emotional baggages mo from the past relationship to the next relationship. It's better to wait it out.
Gano'ng katagal?
3 months.
3 months na ba?
3 months old.
Parang.
Gagi. Kaya kayo nachichismis, Ginoo.
Sir?
Ikaw din eh.
Sir, excuse me po. Kayo po ba si David Licauco?
Yeah, bakit?
Nag-interview po kasi kami ng iba't ibang...
School of Discarte?
Yes po, sir.
I'm a big fan of your work, bro.
Thank you, sir.
Ba't kayo
Thank you.
nandito?
Sir, okay lang po ba kayo may interview? Siyempre,
Wait
iba
lang,
po
can
yung
we just skip this? Medyo mahaba eh. Ay, ito just...
I am David Licauco.
Mahaba?
Happy.
Ay,
You're very shy. Hanggang ngayon?
Siguro pag kasama ko Tito Boy, comfortable ako, hindi naman ako talaga mahihain. Pero pag mga bagong tao, nahihiya ako.
Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, mahihain ka.
Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, ano ibig sabihin ng Tito Boy?
Ligawan, when you like someone.
Medyo, Tito Boy,
Medyo.
sa simula. Parang yung mga hirit ko medyo pa-cute, gano'n. Parang bata, pang 16, gano'n.
Okay. Kayong magkapatid, your brother is getting to be well known because he's one of the best looking athletes.
Yeah.
May sibling rivalry.
Wala naman kasi iba yung fields ng ginagawa namin. Siguro minsan, syempre, naisip niya na si David, ang tawag niya sa akin, Ahya. So, marami akong ginagawa sa buhay. So, there was this one time na feeling ko baka na-pressure siya, ganun. Pero sabi ko naman sa kanya na iba yung ginagawa natin.
Maraming nakakapansin dito sa Pulang Araw na nag-mature yung Barda. At saka parang napapadalas yata ang kissing scenes. What is it? Nagbabago rin ba ang dynamics ninyong dalawa ni Barbie?
I think yung as workmates, as friends, mas naging mature din kami. I think, I'd like to think na we both understand each other better now as compared to before. And yun, sa scenes naman, Tito Boy, I think si Barbie napakagaling na actress. And ako naman, sakto lang, di ba? So, depende pa rin talaga, Tito Boy, sa script eh. So kami naman, willing naman kami gawin yung mga...
Okay.
Kasi hindi lang Tito Boy sa kissing scenes eh. Like, even yung mga scenes namin ngayon, mas mature na in terms of emotions. So, mas grabe yung hug talagang. Ganun, pre? Paano, pare? Ganun,
Paano?
Kasi yung hug talaga, Tito Boy, ganun. Tsaka,
Dati may hiyaan,
dati
may ilangan.
parang hug namin, ganito lang.
Paano?
Ganyan lang.
Ngayon,
Ngayon talagang...
Fame lang.
Ganun.
Okay.
Ganun.
ang galingan.
David Licauco, and I will be answering your questions from Reddit.
Okay. Hindi ko pa
Go
ito
on.
napanood
Peaceful meditation on Spotify.
Ay,
Of course, save up.
hindi ko pa ito napanood.
Whenever you want something, think about it twice, thrice.
Parang bago
Do you need
to.
it? Is this something that for you is beneficial, or in a sense na, is it an investment? So for example, a black t-shirt. I think you can use that multiple times, right? So I think it's okay to buy a bit of a more expensive na black t-shirt just because you know na you're gonna be using it for a long time and the quality is nice, diba? And for business naman, I think it doesn't have to be business, I think you just have to know what you want, and from there, figure out how you will get there. I want to live in Australia. Yeah, whatever work I can get from there, maybe. I just love being there, really. People are nice. I see myself talaga na parang bagay ako doon, ganun. So hopefully, like, be a marketing guy, because I love marketing. Probably I can also do operations and project management, admin stuff. Thank you for all your questions. I appreciate them.
what's next? Ay, bakit na-mute?
By
Quiet.
Susan K.
Anyways, ituloy natin to. This is Kiyo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!